And next we'll be discussing about eighth experiment, that is decision trees. So, decision trees. So coming to decision trees is a very powerful and important machine learning algorithms we are having that deals with both the continuous and categorical data. So here we are going to represent the data in a form of a tree structure. So where we are going to select the attributes, select the best attributes of the data set, and we will represent that one as a parent node. And if your parent node is having any number of partitions, you can represent that one as a subnode. And the resultant outcome is a final output that doesn't have any partitions. For example, suppose if I take fruit is a parent node or a feature I'm taking from the data set. So fruits can have n number of partitions, like n number of few fruits we are having that it can be apple, banana, orange, all these things. So we are splitting the parent node into n number of different forms, different number of subtrees. So if I take apple, if I represent the color of an apple, that is in red. The final outcome, if you wanted to know the color of that fruit, are the most to frequent the probability of the fruit that is occurred more in the particular basket. So if I get the apple, it is red color, the color of the fruit. Next, if I go for orange, the color of the fruit, it can be orange color. If I go for the grape, it can be red or black. So red and black again is attributes of a particular feature called grape. So the final resultant should have only one particular outcome as a result. So we will see here in decision trees, mainly we use iterative econometric tree technique. The iterative econometric tree technique uses information gain. Information gain is a process where we will calculate how much information we are getting from the particular data set. The more information we are getting, the more probability that we are getting accurate output. So information will be calculated using anything, or we can use Gini index in order to perform decision trees, in order to calculate the accuracy of a decision tree, or in order to perform decision tree classification. So we will once check out the experiment. That is decision tree algorithm. So decision trees. So here the basic steps in building a decision tree classification means we have to import the libraries that are necessary for the data set, and we have to upload the data set. And once if you upload the data set, you have to identify the dependent and independent variables of the data set. Once the variables are being identified, we have to split the data set into training data set and test data set. Almost a portion of the data set you are using for testing purpose. So once the data set has been splitted using the sklearn library, we will import the necessity models, machine learning algorithms that are mainly used to perform decision tree classification. So as we can see here, decision tree, I have imported all the necessary libraries. Once the necessary libraries have been imported, I have uploaded the data set, that is decision tree data.csv. So once the data set has been uploaded, I have identified the total number of independent and the dependent variables for my data set. Here in the libraries, I wanted to represent output in the form of graphical representation. That is why I have taken matplotlib. Once the variables have been identified, I'm putting the data set into training data set and the test data set. Here we can see here 25% of the data set has been used for testing purpose. So from scalar to pre-processing, I wanted to standardize all the values into a standard format. The salary, age, or address, pin code, all the values are represented in different formulas. Using the standard scalar, I wanted to scale the values into a different format. Now, using the sklearn library, sklearn model, I am importing decision tree classifier. So decision tree classifier will calculate the entropy value of that particular feature. and it will predict the value of the target variable y using the test data x. So in order to find out the accuracy of the data that I have selected, I am importing the accuracy score from SQL and library in order to predict the accuracy of the testing data and the predicting values. The accuracy for this particular data set is 0.91 percentage. And if I wanted to represent the output values in the form of a graphical representation, I have included HNT classifier plotted. So automatically using the matplot library, I have represented the training data set, that is 35% of the data set which we are using for training purpose, that is the data set. The same night, if I wanted to visualize the testing data in the form of a tree structure, this is the testing data that I am representing the form of a tree representation. Finally, the confusion matrix is mainly used to find out the accuracy of the data we have achieved. You can see here whatever the data I have given using I have imported data session tree classifier, and I have plotted the training data, the graphical representation of the training data, and I will run the program. Once I run the experiment, I have represented this particular tree structure. So that is just for the training data set, and for the testing data, if I run this particular program, I will represent the tree structure in this particular format, and this is confusion matrix is mainly used to represent the accuracy values in the form of a heat map or in the form of a visualization. So decision trees is a very important concept in machine learning algorithms which handles both with the categorical and continuous values. And using SQL and library, it will import directly the decision tree classifier. It takes all the values, input values, and it performs all the operations, and it predicts accuracy value and represents the training data set in the form of a tree structure, and it also represents the testing data set in the form of a tree structure. And confusion matrix we are using in order to predict the test values using the heat map or using the visualization techniques. Thank you so much.